It's raining out there, but the rain ain't gonna stop us from day number 2 at SAC Comic-Con. And today, we're a whole family.
Why?
Because we're going to day number 2
Oh yeah, I get to go this
of SAC
time.
Comic-Con.
I get to go finally.
Are you coming?
I get to go. Do I get to go?
Yeah, you get to go. That's it. We're going as a whole family today. Day number 2. Are you boys ready for SAC Comic-Con day number 2?
Yes.
Yes.
I feel like that second answer was a little... So anyway, day number 2, Sacramento Comic-Con. Make sure you follow along because today I'll be posting videos of all the hits the boys had from their packs and boxes from yesterday's trip. We'll see you there.